Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. Sorry it's been a while, just over a year. I have been waiting for over a year for an order from Woodland Scenics, so I am going to be doing the layout with Woodland Scenics risers. As you can see, it's like a foam riser. Everyone should have seen these by now anyway. You can curve them and bend them and move them around, so I'm going to be using them. They are the subterranean system. That's the way I'm going to be doing my layout. I'm going to be doing it that way because I believe prototypically the track isn't in first, so the scenery shouldn't be built around the track. The track should be built around the scenery. I think it gives a more prototypical look to the layout. I have been getting on with the loft. I've finished plastering the ceiling. I've plasterboarded it, insulated it all the loft's insulated now. I've done the flooring as well. All the floors done. I've put a few shelves up and stuff like that as well. Once I've finished this, I'll show everybody what I've been doing, what's coming up and what I'm going to be doing. If anyone wants to know what I'm doing with the Woodland Scenics subterranean way, I'm going to put a video link in the video now. The link should come up here in the top corner of the screen. If you click the card there, you can have a look and you'll get more of an in-depth view of what I'm doing and realise a bit more in-depth what I'm doing. I'm doing it this way also because I think it'd be easier to do canals, riverbeds, anything like that I want to add in. If I want to put say a building site on a road and they're digging the road up, it's easier to dig the road out and stuff like that. I am going to be doing regular videos now. I am going to be more up to date with stuff. Now I've got everything here that I need really now, so I can get on with the layout and get it actually done. Before I finish this, I want to say thank you to everybody who stuck around. I mean absolutely everybody over the last year and since I've started the channel 3 years ago. I do really appreciate all the support and for everyone that's stuck around. Hopefully now the pandemic's sort of coming to an end and things are getting sort of normal, I'm hoping to get back on the exhibitions and go out and do some more shows and do some more videos for that, so I'll be out and about a lot more now as well. So enough of me rabbiting on and rambling. I'm going to take the camera off the stand in a minute. I'm going to take you around, show you what I've been doing, show you what I'm going to be doing, and we'll get on with the video. So thanks everyone, see you in a minute. Right, these are the Woodland Scenics risers I'm using. I'm using a 2-inch 15 piece risers, which are ST14408B. These are them there, the 2-inch ones. I've ordered 5 boxes of them, and if I show you this one here, you get 15 in a box. So I've got 5 boxes of 15s of them. I've also brought a box of the 4-inch risers as well, so I've got the 4-inch risers I'm going to be using. Also I've brought the 2% incline and decline sets. They're ST1410. I've brought 4 sets of them. I'll show you there the what if it focuses there, 8-piece set. So you get 8 pieces. I brought these basically because I thought those were the best ones to get. I didn't think the 3 or 4% with this good enough for our locos over here to get up, so I thought they might have struggled a little bit, so I brought them ones instead. If I pan round and show you, I can show you that the loft now is all plasterboarded and plastered and all insulated in. I have put this shelf up over here. I'll come over and show you. Just somewhere for a few locos to go on. Steam train there. Pacers. Class 4, 55. Class 58. 59. HSTs. Old steam loco. Some old electrics. Collection of 50s. Up here's me Captain Tom Moore. On. Another class 50 there. Another 50 there. As you can see, I've put a train sign up as well. I've also got the MRYCG map up and a picture just there in the distance. This side's got another picture and the map layouts for MRYCG names. So as you can see, I have been quite busy. If I come down this end of the loft over here, you can see I've got a sign. You see, my dad got me for my birthday. Some more of them MRYCG signs. Got my David train time sign there. My telly. Another little sign up on there as well. I've got another shelf here with some old steam locos. Oh, wobbling a bit. Nice little shelf there. Hoping to put a few more shelves up. And a few more with my steam trains and stuff on. I think that looks quite good there. So, I said I'd done a second level as well. If I come down here and show you, I've done this second level along here. It goes along and round there, right round the back of that. Move that chair out of the way. It's right across to there. So also, if the camera here, I've got a drop pull out section there, so I've got room for my ladders, as if you see me ladders for the loft are just there. Forget this top bit because this top bit's coming out. As you can see, I've gone round the back with the risers. Just been having a bit of a play. Nothing's really permanent there yet. But as you can see, I've been doing that. Also, while I'm showing you, I've put a raised section here which goes all the way around there, come through the beams, goes around there, it's going to go along there, all the way down and round. Nothing's permanently fixed, it's all the back of there as well. As you can see, it's a right mess in here today, with all this stuff turning up and all these boxes and everything else. Yeah, so as I say, here it's going to be a raised town scene, and be a town bit along here, and then the trucks will come around here and through there. So there is going to be a lot more videos, there is going to be a lot more stuff now. I am going to get on with it now. As you can see, I've got a right mess to clean up, but now I've got all my stuff, we'll get on with it and get everything done. So all I can say is thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Comment on your views of what you think. Have a look at my video, see what you think I can improve on or whatever else, and I like to hear the comments and anything you've got to say, really. So till the next video, thanks for watching, and bye bye. Happy modelling, everyone.